Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the Hasselblad film effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to effects, video effects on top, and then scroll down for retro. And then we're going to scroll down to find the Hasselblad film effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're just going to look through it. Nice. So we're going to bring it to the beginning of the clip, elongate the effect to fit the entirety of the clip. And it's basically like a TV screen, but more so like you're looking through a box. I don't know. It's pretty cool. Now, with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the filter of the effect and the noise of the effect, right? So let's take a look. And there you have it, the Hasselblad film effect on CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.